welcome back to part 2 of the spring bike maintenance series that we're doing. So again, we have the Norco in the stand, and today we're going to review frame inspection. All you're going to need to do this is a flashlight. So as you can see, our bike is in our homemade stand still, and we're just going to look at the bike very thoroughly by inspecting with your flashlight all the welds. All right, get underneath. Okay, you want to inspect all the welds. Inspect the tubes as well. So this one's called the top tube. This is the head tube. This is the down tube. And this is the seat tube. Okay, on your bike. That right there is the bottom bracket shell. So if we come down here and inspect all the welds and joints under there as well. The seat stays. Inspecting at the dropouts here. Inspect dropouts on both sides, of course. Come back up. Make sure you get under too. You're looking for hairline cracks, fractures, fork dropouts here. Checking the back of the other side too as you're doing the front of this side. Check your bars, and then the stem, of course. Yeah, this bike looks good. Listen guys, super simple check. Maybe I'm stating the obvious, but for some people I know I'm not. So for those people that don't check their frames, check your frames, okay? One of the very first things you do after you build your stand, of course, check your frame for any kind of damage. Cracks, hairline cracks, any deformities, dings, bends, anything like that. If you have cracks, don't use the bike. If you have any kind of deformity, depending on what it is, I would suggest not using the bike. Also, I just want to make mention, I've seen people drill their frames to put, like this bike here has a place where you can put water bottle holder here and here. I've seen people actually drill their frame to put bolts in for another water bottle. Please do not drill your frame. It completely alters the integrity of the frame, stiffness, strength, all that stuff. Don't drill holes in your frame. There are other products out there that you can use to add a bottle holder if you need another one, or if you don't have one at all. There are products on the market that are available. So anyway, thanks for checking it out. Stay tuned for number 3. All right, take care.